We are here in Guayaquil, Ecuador, but we are working in the community of Mapasingue. Mapasingue literally means dirty nose, so you can imagine the kind of neighborhood that it is. It's a neighborhood that is built into the hills of the community, and really it's typified by diffuse poverty. Most of the work is street vendor based. It's actually full of thieves and alcoholics and drug addicts. Really, you could call it a slum. There are kids everywhere, abundant amount of kids in Mapasingue. You see them in the streets, you see them walking to and from school, but their kids are everywhere. If I could describe Ecuador in 3 phrases, I would say beautiful country, wonderful people, and very corrupt. Corruption here is about laws that are optional, and oftentimes the poor people are left out. They are not able to pay for their justice.